Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover permanently deleted photos from Google Photos and what options you can try if your pictures are no longer in the trash. Let's get started. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. Now, tap on the Library tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on Trash or Bin. Google Photos usually keeps deleted photos in the trash for up to 60 days. If your deleted photos are still in the trash, simply tap and hold the photo you want to recover, then tap Restore. The photo will be restored back to your main photo library. But if the photo is permanently deleted from the trash, recovery becomes more difficult. In that case, you can try checking your device gallery or other backup folders because sometimes the photo may still exist locally on your phone. You can also visit Google Drive and check if the photo was saved there or backed up through another app. Another option is to contact Google Photos support. In rare cases, Google may be able to recover recently deleted data, but this is not guaranteed. So it's always a good idea to keep backup enabled in Google Photos to prevent losing important pictures in the future. And that's it. That's how you can recover deleted photos from Google Photos and what to do if they're permanently deleted. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials.